Alright, improved clinch knot. We've done the clinch knot already. It's the same setup. You want to pinch this eye of the hook, keep pressure on it, and just as before, I'm using my fingers to pass this tag end back and forth. Super easy. 4 to 7 times, and then you're just going to take it right back through that opening. Now this is your clinch knot. You could pull this tight, but if you want to do the improved, you take that tag end back through here. I pull it up until it's snug on itself, tighten it up, and there you go. Nice easy knot, works great. Works great on mono, fluoro, braid. Super strong overall. I typically use it up to about 8-pound, 10-pound test, and then I'll start switching to open loop knots and a couple other knots that I think are stronger with heavier tests.